Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 10 of Python programming, which is according to case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students, and semester number is 4. The topic here is to perform following operations on the set, and operations given are create set, access set, update set, delete sets. So these are the operations that we have to perform on the set. So before starting these operations we have to understand what is set. Set is the data structure present in Python which is similar to list, tuple, but the properties are different. Like set is unordered and unique set of elements. So in the set, whenever we are storing some elements, they are in the unordered manner, they are not stored with location, so you have to access them with their actual numbers, and they are unique numbers always, or whenever you store elements inside a set, they are unique, so you cannot add duplicate values inside any set. So this is how set can be created. So moving toward the practical related questions. The first question is, write a Python program to create a set, add members in a set and remove one item from set. So we have to create one set, then we have to add an element inside that set, and we have to remove some element from the existing set. This is how the program will be. So directly moving toward the code. So initially I am creating one set, so I am naming it as a num. So while creating set in Python we have to use curly bracket. So num is equal to curly bracket open, then I am storing some numbers inside the set separated by commas. Then the set is complete here. Next I am printing a statement, set is created as, then attaching num variable. So it will print the entire set here. So the set is created as and the set will be printed here. Next I am using one variable as a is equal to int input, enter the number to add into set. So the message will be displayed, and after entering a number that will be stored into a variable in integer format. Next I am using num.add function. So this add function will be adding an element inside a set, and in that function I am passing a as a parameter. So the number entered by user will be added into the set using this add function. Next I am again using print statement after adding set is and attaching num again. So what it will do, it will display the new set which is having additional number which we have entered. Next I am using b variable is equal to int input, enter the number to remove from set. So this message will be displayed and we have to enter one number which is already present inside a set, then only it will be removed. So that number will be accepted in integer format and stored into b variable. Next I am using remove function on num. So num.remove, and in parameter I am passing b variable. So the number entered will be checked inside the set. If it is present, that will be removed from the set, and again I am printing after removing set is and attaching num again. So it will print the new set which is having the removed number. This is how the coding will be. So to run this program I am selecting entire code, copying the code, moving to PyCharm, creating a new file here, naming it as set, then pasting the entire code here and running the code. So the set created as, so the original set is printed here. Next enter the number to add into set. So this message is printed, so I am just entering some number, and as I have said, set is having unique values, so I cannot enter the number which is already present here. If I add the already present number, so what it will do, it will not add the new element because set always stores the unique number. So I have to enter some value which is not already present. So I am entering 150 here. So after adding, set is printed as 80, 50, 20 and 150 is added here, and next message is printed as enter the number to remove from set. So we have to enter a number which is already present here. So I am just entering 30 which is already present inside a set and pressing enter. So you can see new set is updated as, after removing 30 you can see new set is printed here and 30 is not present in this next output. So this is how we can create a set. We can perform addition or add some elements inside a set using add function. and we can remove some element from the set using remove function. This is how this practical is ended here. Now the second question is, write a Python program to find maximum and minimum value of in a set. So we have to create a set, then from that set we have to identify maximum value and minimum value. So directly moving toward the code. So initially I am creating my set as a num is equal to, using curly bracket to enter some numbers separated by comma. Then after that I am using print statement. So print created set is, and printing the num, so the original set will be printed here. Then I am using second print statement. In that I am printing minimum value is set, minimum value in set is, and after that attaching min function and passing num as a parameter. So automatically the minimum value from the set will be displayed here using this min function. Next I am using third print statement. So in that I am printing maximum value in the set is, and using max function here and attaching or adding num as a parameter. So it will display the maximum number from the set. So this is how the minimum and maximum will be displayed here. So to run the program, selecting entire code, copying the code, moving to PyCharm, creating new Python file as max set, and pasting the code here and running the code. You can see the created set is printed, which is the original set, that is directly printed here. Next, the minimum value in set is printed as 10, which is the correct output, and the maximum value in set is printed as 80, which is again the correct output. So this is how the minimum and maximum numbers from the set can be printed using min and max functions. So this is how this question is also completed here. Now moving toward the third question, write a Python program to find the length of a set. So we have to take one set, we have to create one set inside our program, and we have to find a length of a set using some function. Directly moving toward the code. So initially I am taking num as a set and I am storing some numbers inside that set. Then I am printing created set directly. So created set is, this is the message, and then attaching num, so automatically the entire set will be printed here. Next, on the next statement I am using print statement again, then printing a message length of a set is, so this is the message part, and after that attaching len function and passing num as a parameter. So here the length of the num set will be calculated and that will be printed here after this message. So this is how length will be printed directly, and we are directly using function here. We are not using any loop or we are not using any counting logic here. So to run this program, selecting entire code, copying the code, then creating new file inside PyCharm as a len set, then pasting the code and running the code. So the created set is printed, which is original values. Then after that length of the set is printed as 7. So if you count the numbers, you can see there are total 7 numbers here, which is the correct output. This is how this question is complete here, and also practical number 10 is complete, which was just using set operations, creating set and using some functions to perform operations on the set. So this is how this practical is ended. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.